Testing. What's up, gang? It's your boy Shakil Samai back with a beautiful US30 and NASDAQ analysis. What's going to happen in the market? We're going to see. We have to see what's going to happen, guys. Is it going to buy? Is it going to sell? I don't know. We shall see on the charts. It will speak for itself. Once again, guys, if you're new to this YouTube channel, please do like, subscribe, and comment down below if this actually added value in your journey and made kind of sense for you. Um, Further ado, let's get into it, straight into it. So firstly, we're on US30, and I'm gonna start on the 4 hour just to get a higher perspective. What is happening on the high time? I'm not gonna go too high, but as you can see, US30 has been in a very big bullish run for quite some time since I think from the 20th of September, October. It's been running up, just going higher and higher. And even if you can see here on the 4 hour, we have a nice trend line moving up like this, right? We have a nice 4 hour trend line here. However, we're quite far still from this trend line, so there's still some room for market going up or maybe coming a little lower now for the trend line. There's still some move before it's going to come down here. So it's either going to move down or it's going to go higher from here. So there's some sort of movement going to happen here, right? However, we're going to remove that in the meantime and just go straight over to the 1 hour. And on the 1 hour, what I do see is that um, on the 1 hour, there we go, yeah, I have this amazing trend. Um, I'm gonna delete this here and delete that and show you guys the beginning, from the beginning story. Yeah. So as you can see, we have this nice trend line that can be placed over here, right? Beautiful trend line showing, indicating a downtrend. Even at the bottom as well, we do as well have this beautiful section at the bottom as support trend line. So every time market comes to these trend lines, it has a reaction, right? Like you see, when market comes from the top trend line, we're selling here, we're selling here. Market comes here at the bottom, we're gonna buy. However, there's going to be a time when this market's gonna shoot out impulsively somewhere. So it either is gonna shoot up impulsively to this area, and it'll be over here, right? Just here, which will be my target if market starts buying. Okay. However, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna explain to you guys now more or less how will I look to take buys. Okay. As you can see, we do. If I go down like to the 50 minute. Okay. If you can go to the 50 minute, you can see there's a nice structure on the 50 minute as well for a nice trend line here as an up trend line around this area, right? So if market decides to break out, because this is break out this trend line and then retest above here, then I'm looking to take buys up. Okay, because now it's telling me it's broken this trend line, then it's confirming to me, okay, you know what, it wants to go higher. But if market comes down and breaks this area here and retests it, then I'm looking for sells. Okay, and also a reason for that is that this, you can see, it's a nice correction pattern. This entire thing here is a bearish, like a bearish flag, as we have the pole here and we have the flag over this area. So this can be a continuation to the downside. However, there's many ways for this thing to tell us to take a sell. Okay, so firstly, we can see there's a section here on top. Okay, so I can draw, what I like to do is um, draw this area over here. So market can go, so you can see if market does decide to come back up here, show rejections at the trend line, down trend line, and this pattern, then I'll look to take a sell down all the way to this 90% rule over here. So for me, I'll look to take targets over here for a sell if it does tell me to sell. Okay, and for buying, if market does come all the way down here and show me a lot of rejections at this trend line, right? And then I look to take buys up. But personally, I would only want to actually take a buy if market breaks out of this area here and then retests on top of this area, and then I'll look to take a buy. For me to take a sell, I would love the market to break out here, retest, and then I look to take a sell down here. In other words, that is basically US30 for me, guys. I hope it makes sense. And then going over to NASDAQ, which is also very straightforward. on this video, you will see that Nasdaq is quite straightforward as well. Um, mm, where is this chart? Okay, there we go. I think I know 1 hour. Yeah, there you can see it. So as you can see, Nasdaq is coming closer to the support area here, where market shot intensely up, massively shot up, and it can do the exact same here. It can come down back to this area and shoot massively up. However, at the same time, we can see that it is quite still very bearish. So what I will look for is, if market comes in this area, show me some sort of rejections, and then I'll look to take buys. So a double bottom will be nice at this area. So if it comes below, takes this area and come back above, I'll look to take a buy up. Okay. If this market just shoots up from here and goes all the way up, I will look and watch out when it comes to this trend line, because at this trend line, it can have a rejection to come back down, and I will look for sells at this trend line. Okay. Reason because you can see before here was a nice sell, here was a nice sell. Market can come back up and show me again a nice sell over here. You know, however, I need market to come all the way there for me to take a sell. Then buying areas, you can see this, it is a nice area for buys. If so, again, for me to take a buy there, I need market to show me rejection at this area to order for me to take a buy up. Yeah, not I think that's more for Nasdaq, guys. Nothing much more for Nasdaq than that. Hope you guys understand what I'm seeing. Do note that at half past 4 there might be a lot of volatility, so market might tend to push down and then come back up. When it comes back up, you can take the buys up. Sign out, Shakil Samai. Once again, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like this video, comment down below, and share it with your friends and families. If